Welcome back to class. So we have looked at BioLine International, and we have also looked at African Journal Online. So now we want to look at PubMed. So let's go back to our websites. So open Google, type PubMed. I've been there before, so you can see PubMed is already showing. Okay, so you can type either PubMed or PubMed Journals, whichever one, and then the Google site shows. So click on PubMed. So when you click on PubMed, this is what you will see. So it's asking you to log in. So simply click login. Now you can actually search without logging in. So let's see what happens. So let's say diabetics in, let's say pregnancy, diabetes in pregnancy. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Yeah, so you can see articles will show even if you are not logging. Okay. Okay. So when they show up, scroll down, you will see full tests. You can decide to uncheck that. So when you uncheck that, it's going to show both abstract, free full tests and full tests. But I'm interested in full tests because I really want to read the full journal article. So click on free full tests. So when you click free full tests, you will now be able to see only those journals that have the full test available. So scrolling down, some journals usually have associated data with the publication. So if you want to see the ones that have that, you click here. If you want book and documents, clinical trials, or meta-analysis that are related to diabetics in pregnancy, you can click on these check boxes. Now, in our search, we have actually looked for publications that are far back as 10 years. We can decide to reduce it to 5 years. So we have about 858 publications. But when it was 10 years, how many were they? So they were 1,309. You can decide to create your own range by clicking here. So you put in the start year and the end year. So let's put, let's say 90. Excuse me. 2022. $1,640. So you can use custom and put in your own dates and you get what you want. Okay, so we're looking for free food tests. So let's see how we can now get the full journal article. So we click on the article that we want. When you click on the article that you want, you can scroll down. Now, when you scroll down, this is what you see. This is not yet the full article. This is not the full article, but the abstract. When you look to this part, this region of the article, you now see free full text. So you can then click on it. So now you have the abstract, the introduction, and so on and so forth. So this is now the full text. Okay, but it's still in HTML format. So let's look for the PDF. This is the PDF, so click on it. It's still loading, so let's wait for it to come up. Yeah, so it depends on the speed of the network. So this is the PDF. This is the full publication. Okay, so it has opened. So you can click here to print it, or you click here to download it. So if I want to download it, I simply just click here and it will download. Okay, so I can save it. Save, and to save into your system. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's go back. So supposing we want to log in, I'll click here if I want to log in. But before you can log in, you should have registered. Because I'm registered, so that's why I say come back. So it is free to actually register. So when you scroll down, you will see sign up. So this is where you click, and then you can sign up. Now, for you to sign up, since you are in the University of Benin, Google is the one that manages our email. So click on Google accounts. Okay, so I have several Google accounts here. So I can click on this and register. So register with your Google account. After you've gone through the process of registration, you can then log in. So when you want to log in, you simply click login with Google. So I'm logging in with my Google accounts. So now that I'm logging with my Google account, you can see Tony Walker at uniben.edu. So I'm fully logged in now. Okay, so what is the advantage of signing in and logging in? Let's conduct another search. Let's say hypertension Nigeria. Okay, so I've conducted this search. I want to take this to PubMed because that's what we are talking about. PubMed. Okay, good. So again, I want to lay the, you can see this search is showing both abstracts, free full tests, and then full tests, both paid and unpaid. But I'm only interested in the free full test because I want to read the full publication. Okay. So let's say within the last 5 years. Let's take within the last 5 years. Okay. So I've taken within the last 5 years. Now, I want all these articles that is showing me. It's showing me 63 articles. I want to email this information to my email address. So I simply click here. And you can see my email is already showing. So all results on this page, okay? So in what format do I want it? The summary, I want the abstracts, okay. So I can select the abstracts and then say send email. So the abstract of these selected articles will now go to my email account. And I can go there and download it as a document. Okay. Now, I can decide to copy them to my clipboard and then paste them on Word. I open Word, click clipboard, go to the Word document and say paste. And everything here will appear in that Word document. So you try several things, navigate around and see the options that are available to you. Remember, we'll select free full text. So let's pick an article at random and see if we will be able to get the free full test. So you can see free full test. So click on that. So this is the full test. It's a research article. You can see abstracts, background, methods, results, discussion. Okay, those are the authors, acknowledgement, and you can see the references. So can we get the PDF? Yes, come here, click PDF. Yeah, so this is the PDF. So if you want to download it, click here. If you want to print, click here. So if you want to download it, click here. And this, let me show you the downloaded one. Yeah, this is the downloaded article. So you can see you can easily get full PDF research articles from PubMed. Yes, free ones. So that can help you to get information with which to do your projects or information on any drug that you are interested in. So with that, you now have an idea of how to navigate PubMed as well. Now, this is just a guide. You go there and spend some time there so that you will actually see some other options that are there. For instance, there is Bookshelf, where you can actually read some books right there in PubMed. So thank you for listening. I hope you are able to learn one or two things. It's practice that makes perfect. So spend some time on the sites that are in the reading material that I've given to you, because it's supposed to be a practical class, hands-on. So as you go through the reading material, go to the website that are specifying the reading material, familiarize yourself with them so that you can have some hands-on. The more time you spend navigating the different sites, the more things you'll be able to pick up. Thank you.